Want to get a jump start on your interiors takeoffs in TradeTech software? With the TradeTech Interiors bundle, just enter your pricing in the database lists and you're ready to go. Pre-built takeoff assemblies have everything that you need to capture all material, labor, subcontract, equipment and other items for metal framing, insulation, drywall, paint, FRP panels and trim, and assemblies to capture any miscellaneous items. The bundle includes ready-to-go database lists with standard items for metal framing, labor, insulation, drywall, paint and FRP materials. Just add your pricing. With 6 pre-built reports, you'll be completing your takeoffs within hours instead of days. Having 4 different material reports, an in-house bid report and a finished bid proposal report that can all easily be exported to Excel, PDF or CSV files create a complete takeoff and estimating package. Check out the TradeTech Interiors bundle in the TradeTech store today.